Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. It is about 4 degrees below zero. It's starting to get dark. Been kind of a busy day here. I got two bikes. Got them both from the same seller. Good guy, mechanic, rider, trust him. 2009, 2006 through 9 Yz450 file. Put in the description which year it is. They're all pretty much the same from 6 to 9. About 10 hours ago he did the top end, the valve shimming, all that work. Really nice, clean, solid bike. No issues. Motor here should be strong. Suspension's all good and tight. Good, clean bike. You can see it's really clean, really well cared for. Fresh new plastic on it. Really nice, decent bike. And again, well cared for. So this should be a really good, strong motor for somebody if they want it. Transmission shifts well, clutch is all good. Also got this CR.